Cheeky Monkey Travels. If you're new here, I'm Joe. These are my sisters and my jungle friends. And
who's this?
And this is Martin the monkey. And today we are going to be making a Amazon rainforest typical breakfast. And basically what it is, it's fish. But it's not just any type of fish that you throw in the oven. It's a special type of fish that we need to make. So the first step we need to do is collect these special types of leaves that we're gonna wrap the fish in and put in the oven. It's basically like, we need the leaves because they're like tin foil here. Here, no one has tin foil, so they use like these special types of leaves that are just like tin foil. So we're going to get them. Let's go. So guys, these are the leaves and we need to collect some of them to make the fish, and let's start collecting now. So guys, this is the fish that we're going to be cooking anyways, 3 kilos. It's called the Huna.
Huh?
Guys, the fish is still alive. Look,
we cut it. It's still alive.
its nerve system is still working.
This fish doesn't want to die.
So guys, this stick is actually really useful because this thingy is like the skin of the stick. We're gonna be using to wrap the fish up and to tie it, because here there's no string, so we're gonna be using this. They put triple that. So guys, Amber's grandma is gonna show us how to do the fish wrapping thingy, and then we're gonna do it ourselves. So she puts a fish in, and then into 2 leaves, and then she puts 3 slices with 3 leaves, and then folds it. That looks tricky because it's slimy. No, te vas a quemar. Mira, muy pastel.
Ya falta un poquito más. El almuerzo, desayuno.
Guys, the fish is ready and I can't wait to try it. It's so good. Guys, this is absolutely amazing, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching us prepare our fish. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!